how to find Jimmy John's Catering near your area. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to find Jimmy John's Catering near your area. Let's get started. Open up your browser, go to jimmyjohns.com, then head over to catering in the top left, and then just tap on order catering. Now just put in your area and then it will show you various stores near your area. So if there are many stores near the area, then it will show you the list of stores. You can see the first store is 0.2 miles, the second store is 1.6 miles. So you can just scroll down and select the one nearest to your area. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.